Meet the giant panda, a gentle bear. Giant pandas are truly remarkable creatures. They are a type of bear, easily known by their look. They have very striking black and white fur. This fur makes them stand out against the green forests. Most people find them very charming and lovely to see. These bears are a symbol of wildlife. They are loved by people all around the world. We are still learning many things about these gentle giants. Their lives are quiet and often hidden from our view in the wild mountains. The panda's coat is thick and woolly. This special fur helps to keep them warm. They live in cool, damp mountain areas. The white fur covers their face, tummy and back. The black fur is on their ears, eyes, shoulders and legs. This pattern is unique to each panda, like a fingerprint. It might help them to blend in with snowy patches or shadowy parts of the forest, or perhaps it helps them recognize each other. Scientists are still studying why they have this special pattern of colors all over their bodies. Pandas live in a very specific place on Earth. Their natural home is in the mountain ranges of central China. These mountains are covered in thick bamboo forests. This is where they find their food and shelter. The forests are often misty and cool. Pandas are well suited to this environment. They are strong climbers and can move through the dense bamboo. These special forests are very important for the pandas to live and to survive as a species. Without these forests, the pandas would have nowhere to go. The habitat of a panda is a cool, wet place. These bamboo forests provide everything a panda needs. They offer plenty of food, which is mostly bamboo. The dense trees and bamboo also give them cover. This helps them hide from any danger, though adult pandas have few natural predators. The forests are high in the mountains, sometimes thousands of meters up. This environment is quite specific, and pandas do not live in many other types of places. It is their special world, perfectly designed for their way of life, a green haven. The giant panda has a very unusual diet for a bear. Most bears eat a variety of foods like berries, fish and meat, but pandas eat bamboo. Almost all of their food, about 99%, is bamboo. They eat many different kinds of bamboo plants. They carefully choose the best parts of the bamboo to eat. This might be the tender shoots in spring, or it might be the leaves at other times of the year. Their whole life seems to revolve around finding and eating this one type of plant. Pandas spend a very large part of their day eating. They can eat for up to 14 hours every single day. This is because bamboo is not very high in energy. It does not give them a lot of nutrition in small amounts, so they need to eat a lot of it. An adult panda can eat between 12 and 38 kilograms of bamboo in just one day. That is a huge amount of bamboo. They have strong jaws and teeth. These help them to crush the tough bamboo stalks and leaves easily. Eating so much bamboo presents some challenges for the pandas. Bamboo is not easy to digest. It is also very low in protein and other important nutrients. To get enough energy, they must eat constantly. This means they do not have much time for other activities. Their bodies are specially adapted to this diet. They have a special lining in their stomach. This lining helps protect them from bamboo splinters. They also have a gut bacteria that helps to break down some of the bamboo fiber. Despite these adaptations, the bamboo diet means pandas have a slow pace of life. They do not store much fat, so they cannot hibernate in winter like other bears do. They must keep eating bamboo all year round. This constant need for bamboo also means they are very dependent on their habitat. If the bamboo forests disappear, the pandas will have no food. This makes their survival very closely linked to the health of the bamboo forests where they live. Their entire existence is tied to this single remarkable plant. Pandas are currently considered a vulnerable species. This means they face threats to their survival in the wild. For many years, they were listed as endangered. One of the biggest threats to pandas is habitat loss. As human populations grow, people need more land. They build farms, roads and towns. This often means cutting down the bamboo forests. When the forests shrink, pandas have less space to live. They also have less bamboo to eat, which is their primary food source. This is a very serious problem for them. Another challenge for pandas is their low birth rate. Female pandas usually only give birth to one cub at a time. Sometimes they have twins, but often only one cub survives in the wild. The mother panda takes great care of her cub. The cub stays with its mother for about 18 months to 2 years. This means a female panda can only reproduce every 2 to 3 years. This slow rate of reproduction makes it difficult for panda populations to grow quickly. It also makes it harder for them to recover if their numbers fall. Fragmented habitats also make it difficult for pandas. This means their forest homes are broken into small, separate patches. It's hard for pandas to travel between these patches. This makes it difficult for them to find mates. It can also lead to less genetic diversity. This means the pandas in one small area might all be related. This is not good for the long-term health of the panda population. They need to be able to move freely to mix with other pandas. This makes the whole group stronger and more resilient. Pandas also face some natural challenges. Bamboo plants have a unique life cycle. Large areas of a particular bamboo species can flower and die off at the same time. This happens every few decades. In the past, pandas could move to other areas. They could find different types of bamboo, but now, with smaller and more broken habitats, this is much harder. If their main food source disappears in their small patch of forest, they may not survive. These are all reasons why pandas need our continued help and protection. Pandas hold a very special place in Chinese culture. They are seen as a national treasure in China. They are symbols of peace and friendship. For many years, China has been working hard to protect these amazing animals. The Chinese government has created many nature reserves. These reserves are large areas of forest set aside for pandas. In these protected areas, it is illegal to cut down bamboo. It is also illegal to harm the pandas. This gives them safe places to live and to raise their young cubs. Conservation efforts are not just happening in China. Zoos and research centers around the world are also helping. They have special breeding programs for pandas. These programs have been very successful in recent years. Scientists have learned a lot about panda reproduction. They can now help pandas to have healthy cubs in captivity. Some of these captive-born pandas may one day be released into the wild. This could help to increase the number of pandas living in their natural habitat and boost wild populations. Research is also very important for panda conservation. Scientists study pandas in the wild and in captivity. They learn about their behavior, their diet, and their health. They also study the bamboo forests. They want to understand how to protect these forests better. This knowledge helps to make conservation plans more effective. Community involvement is also key. Local people who live near panda habitats are encouraged to help protect the pandas. They can help by reporting any illegal activities or by planting more bamboo. Thanks to all these efforts, there is hope for the future of the giant panda. Their numbers in the wild have slowly started to increase. This shows that conservation work can make a real difference. But pandas still need our help. We must continue to protect their forests. We must support research and breeding programs. By working together, we can ensure that these wonderful, gentle giants continue to roam the bamboo forests for many, many years to come. Their survival is a testament to what we can achieve when we care for our planet.